Okay, our last part is to compare both the CNN network performance. So after comparing both the result, after we have to compare the 50 data set for the MNIST and for the CIFAR data set. We found that accuracy of MNIST was 99% and accuracy of CIFIR 10 dataset was 66.85. So there is a large difference between the result of both the dataset. So another thing we can see, like both the CNN model was developed using same filter other than the pixel of image was different. Means like MNIST image was 28 into 28 pixel while CIFIR image was 32 into 32, and both the data sets start using very low accuracy, but at the end it was significant increase. So as we can see, there is a large gap between the performance of the two of the CNN model used for on this two data set, and I think the major difference is the model size, and other thing we have to do is to reduce the filter size. So let me go here. Okay, so this is the 50 data set for MNIST. We can see SSC. I have putted all the data 50 data on this file, and see we can see like accuracy is increasing, and at the end when we compare it is 99.01. Okay, one second. Okay, and then there is another data set that was a CIFIR, and I recorded all the 50 data point of this also, and I name as this, and at the end of this data point you can see this 4900 step, it's 66.85. It seems like accuracy is very low, and we have to do something to increase its accuracy. There is a gap, large gap in the performance on two of the data set. So it's really large. So I have to think, and for this I think we can do some of the thing like removing one of the layer, or like we can increase the steps of the training. We can also reduce the filter size, we can increase the layer, many sort of things we can do to improve the performance. And for this we have to go to, I can walk through my step 5 in which I have done some of the step to increase the performance of the CIFIR dataset. So how I improve the dataset? So for this I just change the step of training to 6000 step. Okay, let me first I try to reduce the steps and filter size to 3 by 3, and everything was same, exactly same of the part 1, and accuracy of the model was increased. And for this I finally got the accuracy of 71%, and this was, there was some fluctuation in the accuracy, but overall the accuracy was increased. I did many things. I removed the layer, I increased the layer, I then reduced the size, and for everything I finally got like increasing the steps and decreasing the filter size. We can increase the model's accuracy. Let me go through the code. Okay, so everything was same. I can show you what I have done. See, I have in this decrease the filter size 3 into 3, 3 into 3. Then what we I have done, I have increased the steps to 6,000, and then finally I use the run.tf.session to train and test the CNN model. So see, it started with very low accuracy, 9%, 1%, 42%, and when we went to the end, it was like this is my second iteration, but overall my percentage was 71.09, like around 71%. So 1 second. Yes, we can say by increasing the filter size and no, decreasing the filter size and increasing the number of steps and performing the exactly the same step as we did in earlier part, the accuracy of model can be improved, and it has improved to the 71%. So this was my final presentation. So let me reiterate everything. There was 6 part. The first part was we have to search the data set of images and audio file which is having the level. Then the second part was to upload those data into our remote server. Then the third part was we have to build, test and test CNN on the CIFAR 10 dataset. Then we have to find and compare the result of both the dataset MNIST and CIFAR. Then we have to explain the gap, why there was a large gap in the accuracy of both the dataset. And finally, we have to implement our steps, how to improve the network performance. So basically, all of this were my project presentation. And thank you everyone for watching my this presentation, and wish you good luck for next semester. And thank you, Professor.